Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to use the rollups in the Notion application or the Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Notion desktop application, or you can just connect to your Notion web portal with your Notion account. So now here in this example I have just created two templates. The first one is the project and the second one is task, because the rollups we need to have like a relation between two databases. And here I have the first databases, which is the projects, and here I have the tasks databases. So basically I will proceed in adding the rollups. And to do so, we need to go to one of the databases. Either you have a relation or not, but in all cases you will need to go to here and create a new column on your database here, and the property type will be let's just name it, for example, rollup. Let's search for rollup, and here I have a type rollup, and you can name it something, for example, I don't know, tasks x projects, as a relation between the two databases. So now you will just click enter, and you will have now this tasks and project, which is a rollup option. And here we forgot to add the relation between the two databases. So the relation will be with these databases, which is tasks. So I'm going to click on tasks, and as you can see, it already starts for each project. It is giving me this task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. So it is given each project, for example, getting started with project, and this is my first project for project 1. We will give it task 2 and task 1, and here it will be I apologize, and here in projects it will be showing. Also you can in the rollup option, you can have in the edit property, you can have multiple options that you can do with the rollup. Either you can like show the original like this, show as a text or something, or you can count the number of tasks. You can for example, if you had something concerning the time or the duration of the projects, you can count the unique values, for example, or the sum. You can sum up the values if it was like a numeric value. You can do multiple things with the rollup. So let's, for example, just count how much tasks that we have for each project, and I'm going just click on count all, and here I have two number of tasks for each project, and here I have 0 tasks here. So basically this is how you add the rollup or use the rollup options or the properties in the databases of Notions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.